Hi everyone, welcome to another Car Bro Show episode. Today we're going to show you how to use a Mercedes-Benz GLC 300e cruise control. To get familiar with the system, if you look on your steering wheel, you will have a RES button, which is resume, and you've got the cancel button. You've got the set plus, set minus, and then you've got your Distronic control, and you've got your speed limit control up there. So to get started, when you drive in the vehicle, if you press set up, it'll switch on your cruise control and set it to the speed in which you want it to be. As you can see on the dash, it sets it at 30, and the more I push it up, it increases the speed to what I want the vehicle to be at. If I press it down to the set minus, then it changes my speed and lowers the vehicle's cruising speed. So that I've got it at 40 km an hour. Then you've got your resume and your cancel button. So cancel, pretty obvious. If you drive in the vehicle and you cancel cruise control, you just push down and it'll switch your cruise control off. If you want to resume from the speed you were at after cancelling or touching the foot brake, you just have to push up and it will reset the speed to where you had last preset it. So we had a 40 km an hour, it's reset it at 40 km an hour. Then if you look on the left hand side, you've got the little lines there, that is just the distance of vehicle. So if you push it down, it will increase the distance between your car and the car in front of you while it's cruising. And if you push it down, it decreases the distance so that you're closer to the car in front of you, and then it maintains that gap. If the car brakes in front of you, your cruise control will also slow you down. And if the car picks up in speed, your car will also pick up in speed and then maintain the preset speed cruise you've got it at. Your speed limit is just to put the vehicle at. If you don't want to go over a certain speed, say 60, then you will just click on that button and it will keep you at no more than 60 miles or 60 kilometers an hour. This vehicle has is the power steering assist and the lane keep assist. We'll see how those work, as well as the 360-degree camera. So we'll get going, and then I'm going to touch these buttons as we drive, and I'll explain them to you, and then you can see how they work, including the resume button, because that has two features which is not in the older models, and I'll show you how that works in the new current model. So let's get going. So I'm going to set my speed to 80 kilometers an hour because that's the speed limit on the road we're on. And while we're driving, the vehicle has cameras which will pick up any road signs and tell you the new speeds, which will be on the heads-up display if your car's fitted with it, or on the dash over there. The car's now picked up that we can do 100 kilometers an hour. I can either push the set up button a few times to get to 100, or I can just press the resume button, and that'll immediately shoot me to the speed limit the camera signs have picked up on the vehicle. Note that you need to confirm that those speed limits are still in use, because some of the mapping software might have one speed limit, but the signs obviously have a different speed limit. It will only change the speed if you tell it to. So if the sign changes to 80, it will not slow down to 80, it will maintain the 100 that you've preset it at. So you need to always be aware and then change your speed accordingly. As you can see, the vehicle in front of us is slowing down, and so the Distronic has picked it up and is slowing my vehicle down at the same time. As you can see, it slowed us down all the way, and then it will take over and re-accelerate, or you can just accelerate yourself. The great feature with the cruise control system is that when the vehicle picks up, we are coming to a roundabout or to a T-junction, the vehicle will slow down. It will not stop you, but it will slow you down enough. But you have to be aware. It also shows you on the display, there we go, that we are coming to a roundabout. So the vehicle is slowing me down, not only because the car's in front of me, but also because it knows we have a roundabout. And then you can just take over from there. The vehicle will not stop you at a stop sign or a traffic signal. You have to do all that yourself, so do not rely on the vehicle solely, because it is not a self-drive vehicle. If you're coming to a road you want to turn, if you put on your indicator, the vehicle will pick up you want to turn, because in the mapping software it has the road there. It'll slow you down for that turn, and then you can turn in. Again, it is not up to the vehicle to slow you down enough. You should be in control of the vehicle all the time. But it is a great feature to have, and it really helps in the driving assist and the comfort of the drive. That is how the cruise control system works in the Mercedes-Benz. Thank you for watching Car Bro Show. Share with family and friends, and remember to like us.